Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into a tiny but mighty cleaning solution, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty details of this super portable and efficient mini vacuum. First up, let's talk about cordless convenience. The ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner is powered by two AA batteries, which means you can use it absolutely anywhere. No annoying cords to deal with, and the batteries will last you a whopping 90 minutes. What sets this mini vacuum apart is its 360 rotatable design. It's an ergonomic dream come true for your cleaning needs. You can easily reach into tight corners and crevices, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach spots around your desk. This tiny wonder isn't just for show, it means business. The capture nozzle picks up larger debris with ease, making it a perfect choice for cleaning up dust on your desktop, computer, keyboard, and more. Say goodbye to those pesky crumbs and pet hair. Now, here's the kicker. Despite being battery-powered, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner packs a punch with its suction power. It can handle even the largest piles of dust, yet it's quiet enough for you to work, read, or sleep while it cleans up your mess. Using this little helper is a breeze. It's suitable for everyone, from students to the elderly. Just hold it in your hand and move it around. This table vacuum cleaner will quickly clean up all the little messes in your life, both at home and in your car. Speaking of quality, this mini vacuum is made of high-quality clear plastic acrylic. It's not only durable but also stylish with a chic display. It's like having a powerful tool that looks good on your desk. Now, let's go through how to use it. First, press the on-off push button and lift to open the lid. Place the two AA batteries correctly, and then close the lid. Turn on the switch, and you're good to go. The bottom of the machine even comes with a brush to tackle stubborn stains. Inside the box, you'll find the mini desktop vacuum cleaner, a user manual for reference, and a handy cleaning brush. Everything you need to keep your workspace clean and tidy. Just a few things to remember. It's powered by two AA batteries, so don't forget to have those on hand. Also, to avoid damage, use it for less than 10 minutes continuously. And remember, keep fingers away from the hole on the bottom while it's working, and always supervise children when they're using it. In conclusion, the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner may be small, but it's a powerful and versatile tool for keeping your workspace neat and clean. Say goodbye to those desk dust bunnies. If you found this review helpful and you're excited to try out the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your workspace stay spotless, and your tech be top-notch.